Hello, I have just received my new starter kit from Young Living Essential Oils, and so I want to show you what comes in the box. So I've taken off the tape because I'm not allowed to use scissors on my videos anymore. So I'm opening up my box, and this is the Raindrop starter kit. So with it you get your oil box, and I'll open that in a second. You get whichever diffuser you choose. So this is the Raindrop. You can get the Desert Mist and you can get the Dewdrop. Then inside your box you get a product catalog. You get an essential oils magazine. You get an essential oils newsletter, and you get your order sheet. So this is what comes inside your box when you get a Young Living starter kit. So I'm going to open up my starter kit. It comes sealed in plastic. So when you take this off, I want to show you that there's more than one layer. So your box comes with a small tab. You get 10 essential oils on your first layer, and then you go into your second layer of your box and there's more goodies below. So you have some samples, sample bottles, some sharing cards to share with people. Your 11th oil is in the bottom, a roller bottle, and a lid. You get a sample of the Thieves household cleaner that you can put in distilled water, and 2 samples of Ningxia Red. So make sure that you're opening the bottom layer of your starter kit.